In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal. Here's how it works. Load up the Sweatcoin app, and once you have the app open, first you want to make sure that you have sufficient funds here. Now, if you want to withdraw your Sweatcoin to PayPal, you will go into the rewards section at the bottom, and then you have the option of either winning a gift card, or if you want to guarantee the withdrawal, you will go into the buy section here, and you have a $5 gift card, a $25 gift card, and a $50 gift card, and they cost 5,000, 15,000 Sweatcoin and 30,000 Sweatcoin respectively. Now you will click on this option here, and as long as you have sufficient funds, like I said, the minimum is going to be 5,000 Sweatcoin, then you can purchase this PayPal gift card, and then you can redeem it on your account, and that is how you withdraw money. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.